Well, let's focus on a couple of names then that we have been tracking. Nalco, well, that stock has opened up in pre-open. You know, the stock is higher because of a couple of factors. One is the numbers were quite good. And the second factor, it's come out of the F&O ban. So that explains why Nalco has opened up in the green. Let's get straight to the numbers. On the top line, there was a bit of a miss. Why was that? Likely because of lower alumina sales. So that was a bit of an issue for them. But the EBITDA number, it's the best in nearly 2 years, coming at around 1,100 crores, which is much better than around the 930, 940 crores that we were estimating. So the EBITDA beat is something that the street likes. What played out in their favor? Other expenditures down by close to 14% on a year-on-year basis. And the cost of power consumed as well has come down. The cost of power has come down because they're taking a higher amount of coal from captive sources. And that's heartening because they're producing higher amount of aluminium and still the power and fuel costs are lower. On both the segments, they did quite well. The alumina business, though, that's the one that delivered the big beat out there. But going ahead, in the coming quarter, the aluminium business will do much better because global aluminium prices have moved up. So Nalco goes down as a beat. On the flip side, you have NMDC. Those numbers go down as a miss. And I think in pre-open, the stock is down close to around 2%. So the revenue number, well, that was in line. We already had the volume number, so that meant realizations were in line. But the EBITDA number missed estimates by close to around 14%, which caused margins to come in sub 33%. That compares with around 38%. What went wrong? Other expenditure was higher. Sometimes towards the end of the fiscal year, they do include a couple of one-offs. So that could be one factor. But royalty as a percentage of sales was at around 47%. That compares with around 42, 45% that we have seen in the past. And also, you know, there were a couple of one-offs, but that's below the operational performance. So NMDC starts off in the red, but Q1 could look better because of the price hikes that they've taken. And the street expects a couple of other price hikes as well going ahead. For the time being, down 2%.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. Well, let's